Hi, my name is Kyle, and today I would like to talk to you guys about engineering. Engineering has many branches and fields that one can focus on for their major, and civil engineering is one of them. Civil engineering is one of the oldest branches of engineering, along with military engineering. Civil engineering diverges into many fields and branches, many fields that include construction, structural, geotechnical, and transportation engineering. Here on the left, here in this slide, it shows what it's a basis of what civil engineering does, which looks out for all of these structures that are being built, more like a blueprint. So reading through this chapter, what I found most interesting was geotechnical engineering. And geotechnical engineering studies the behavior of soils under influence of other forces and other interactions to see if it is strong enough to carry a structure. I found this interesting because ground behavior is not something to easily determine, and geotechnical engineers are able to investigate and conduct tests to determine that the soil is indeed strong enough to handle structures for years to come. On the right, here you see a geotechnical engineer excavate and to see if the soil is strong enough, and here's a basic photo of geotechnical engineering to the left. Geotechnical engineers need proper knowledge of geotechnical engineering because it is, one, for safety of other people, and two, to create livable structures that will not break down on people. Along with soil structure, another field of engineering that deals with structures of buildings is a structural engineer. Here you can see what they mostly focused on is structure. To the left, it's a blueprint of all of the it's just a basic blueprint. To the right, it shows where it is. The green shows where it's most structured. The red indicates that it is flimsy. The blue one indicates a middle ground. And you can see that there are a lot of stuff to be done here. And the bottom shows what they do in the field. Structural engineers deal with the structural integrity of buildings, and their main goal is to design a sturdier building that limits collapse and serviceability. Structural engineers are knowledgeable of the materials that they're currently using, and they have a clear mastery of planning and positioning without the sacrifice of safety and serviceability. Among all of that, they have to plan ahead in case of repair, rehabilitation, and maintenance of structure, because these buildings currently change. They keep changing and changing depending on the situation, weather, and soil structure. So they have to be ready for anything that comes across. And this is why I think both of these civil engineering branches is very interesting, because they're all around us and they are able to basically control what is being put, and they're able to make a structure that will probably live for a very long time. And Thank you very much.